Hello learners. Welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy. In today's session, we'll explore the Gate Pass management process in Lighthouse ERP. Gate passes help track material movement in and out of the premises, whether returnable, non-returnable, general, or for rejected materials. 1. Returnable Gate Pass (RGP). Use returnable gate pass when items go out temporarily, repairs, job work, calibration, and are expected to come back. Capture vendor, transporter, vehicle, due date, and item details. All RGPs are visible with status and vendor transporter summaries. 2. Receipt against returnable RGP receipt. When material returns, record receipt against returnable, link it to the original RGP. Update quantities, value, and references. Track all receipts with approval status and vendor/transporter-wise panels. 3. Non-Returnable Gate Pass (NRGP). Use non-returnable gate pass when items are sent out permanently. Samples, donations, scrap sale, not via SO, etc. Tier. View the entire list of NRGPs with vendor, transporter, and approval summaries carefully. 4. Non-Returnable Acknowledgement. Optionally, record acknowledgement from the customer site that the NRGP material reached. Filter by series, customer, transporter, date range. Select lines to acknowledge. Use listing to audit acknowledged lines by customer division freight basis. 5. General Gate Pass. Use General Gate Pass for miscellaneous job work movements, not covered by RGP NRGP templates. 6. Rejected material return to party. Friends, for supplier rejected goods, raise rejected return to party. Select items, capture transporter and vehicle, then issue out. Monitor these returns in a consolidated list. 7. Rejected conversion goods to conversion vendor. When conversion goods are partially rejected during year-end inspection and must be returned to the conversion vendor, use rejected conversion goods. Filter by party item and pick the rejected balance quantity. Controls and best practices. Always select correct series and tran type. RGP, NRGP, GP, REJ. Fill transporter vehicle from, to, and due dates. Link receipts to original RGP numbers. Use acknowledgement for NRGP delivery confirmation. Use lists for approval and audit readiness. So that's the complete Gate Pass management flow in Lighthouse ERP: returnable and receipt, non-returnable and acknowledgement, general, and rejected flows. In our next video, we'll cover tools and tackles management, receiving, issuing, and returning tools with complete accountability. Thanks for watching and keep learning with Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy.